medallion. On the other, R for Ranier and G for Grace, linked in artistic lettering. The R and G motif appears again on the Silver Cloud Rolls-Royce, which is a wedding present to the Prince from Monaco's National Council. The lady demonstrates some of the refinements of this magnificent British car, for example, a picnic tray. And when Princess Grace wants to be sure her makeup's okay, she can light up the vanity mirror. Seen here in London, the car will soon be the envy of all the Prince's subjects in Monaco. Grace herself about to